This is the new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, and here's a quick unboxing and overview of what's new with this new device. The Galaxy A56 comes in a slim box, so we can expect there won't be any power brick included. Inside the box you will find the device, a SIM injector pin, the user manual, and a USB-C to C charging and data cable. So what's new? First, the Galaxy A56 is 0.8mm thinner and 15g lighter compared to its predecessor, the Galaxy A55. Yet, it features a larger 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display. The display has much narrower bezels and the panel is now brighter, reaching up to 1200 nits with a max peak brightness of 1900 nits. Samsung has changed the design for the 2025 Galaxy A series. Instead of three independent circular rear cameras, Samsung opted for a refreshing oblong cameras island housing the triple cameras. They are the same 50MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera. What's new is the front 12MP selfie camera, which now features a larger sensor. Under the hood is the new 4nm Exynos 5800, which the company claims delivers better CPU, GPUs, and NPU performance. It also has a larger vapor chamber for better cooling efficiency. While the battery capacity remains unchanged at 5000 mAh, the Galaxy A56 now supports 45W super fast charging 2.0, which is a great upgrade. The only downgrade I noticed is the missing micro SD card slot. The Galaxy A56 will run on the latest One UI 7 based on Android 15. You also get to enjoy some of the awesome AI features like Circle to Search, Best Face, Object Eraser, and much more, which Samsung call it Awesome Intelligence. Samsung promises 6 years of major software upgrades and security update, so this device will be still relevant in 2031. It's offered in 4 awesome colors: graphite, light grey, olive, and pink. The Samsung Galaxy A56 comes at the price of Rm1,999 with a double storage upgrade and 1 year extended warranty, which is the same price as last year. A full review of the Galaxy A56 coming up very soon, covering its performance, cameras, and battery life. So stay tuned.